This video provides an overview of how to install a CommScope XPND CMOD cable assembly into a CommScope XPND fiber panel. The CommScope XPND cabled module, or CMOD, delivers a fast, reliable, and craft-friendly way to deploy high-density fiber in the network. Each CMOD is a factory-assembled, pre-terminated indoor-outdoor rated fiber cable, with adapters and connectors secured within a single protective housing. By integrating the fiber bulkhead into a unified module, each CMOD clicks effortlessly into place, streamlining installation, maintaining sequential fiber order, and minimizing any disturbance to adjacent fibers during deployment. Cable sizes range from 12 fiber SC to 288 fiber SC and LC. Begin by securing the cable to the tie-off bracket on the rear frame rail according to local practice. Leave a small service loop in each cable subunit to allow the cassettes to be pulled out of the panel for access. Before installing the cassettes, find the jumper clip taped to each one. In the row of front ports, between the middle two adapters, there is a cavity designed specifically for the jumper clip. Take the clip with the open side of the loop pointing upwards and slide it into the cavity until locked into place. CMOD cassettes must be installed from the rear of the panel. To open the door, press down the latches at both top left and right, then pull the top of the door outward from the panel. Insert each cassette into a panel slot from the rear, ensuring the jumper clip faces the front. Push each cassette fully into the panel until securely locked into place. After inserting the cassettes, verify that each cable subunit exiting the back of the CMOD is routed to the side of the panel and through the retaining feature. Then close the door. When routing a patch cord to the front side of the cassette, inspect the connector and clean if needed per local practice. Then plug the connector into the appropriate port, route the cord through the jumper clip and through the side cable manager.